wanted to know about how you kind of like got into rum, because I don't know, did you say that you used to drink something else before, or you weren't really into drinking?
I kind of would have a gin and tonic, or maybe like a martini and lemonade. But certainly not really into spirits, and I didn't think I would ever really be into spirits. And
why is that?
Smell of whiskey just knocks me sick. I couldn't even think of tasting it. But we went on holiday to Barbados. It was one of those once in a lifetime, never do it again holidays. So we went on holiday to Barbados because I love the sunshine, and it was December, bit of winter sun. And I didn't really know what people drank in Barbados, but when I get there, everybody's drinking rum punch. So I would have rum punch, and I thought, oh, this is really nice. It's nicer than like a tequila sunset or something like that.
What was the kind of flavours that was in the punch, do you know? What
So they had, I think it was orange juice and grapefruit juice, obviously rum, and they would have grated nutmeg. So I now have at home, I get proper nutmeg, and I've got a nutmeg grater that I use when I'm doing rum punch, because I liked it that much. And we went to a bar one evening, and I asked for a rum punch, and they just misheard me and brought me a rum.
Yeah.
So I thought, I can't really say anything, it's my own fault, and it was just a rum that it wasn't on the rocks or anything. I didn't think I was going to be able to drink it. It was a normal, your kind of standard Mount Gay, as it turns out, so quite a nice entry into rums. And I drank it and I really liked it, and I couldn't believe it, because I thought it would taste like whiskey, and it tastes nothing like whiskey. So then that was what I stuck to. That became my kind of drink of choice, and I think that's what I liked about it. It went down really smoothly, and it was quite an oaky taste about it, quite smoky. And our once-in-a-lifetime holiday then turned into, why don't we go to Martinique? So we went to Martinique, and then I thought, okay, they have different rums here. So then I started trying the French rums, and I really like the French rums. And they had something called a tea punch as well, which is super strong. I mean, that knocked my head off, so I thought, okay, that's not me. I'll go back to my normal kind of dark rums. And from then on, it's just become my thing. So Chris gets me a rum advent calendar every year, so I can try all the different kinds. I've discovered what I like, so I don't like them too strong. Anything over about 46% is too much for me.
Not interested.
Not interested. I like the dark molasses. So I've just tried all different ones to get to what I like.
How do you discover about rums, and like what makes you decide I'm going to try that one? Is it the islands?
So I've done a couple of workshops. I've done a workshop here in the Black Parrot. I went to Rumfest in London and did 2 or 3 of the seminars there. I mean, it's great having things like this place here, because I came in tonight and said, I really like an Appleton 21 and I like a rum JM. Can you give me something similar? And I got this brilliant Madeira rum that I've never had before. Now Madeira is a new rum for me, but we did notice there is a rum festival in Madeira every year, so we were considering going, and now I've tried this Madeira rum, we're definitely going to go now.
Definitely going now.